Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your avatar on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that tap on this avatar button that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. So tap on it, and after that tap on the avatar that you can see in the middle of the screen, and now down below you can find the available avatars. As you slide to the right side you can see the available options that you can choose from. So tap on the relevant ones, and here you can see how the avatars look like. So if you would like to change it, all you have to do is tapping on this change button down below, and then you should tap on confirm. So if you have enough coins, then you can purchase the new avatar, as you can see here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.